Hi guys, it's Issa. Today I'm going over my trading recap. Today is November 5th and it is the first day on my XFA. And I took two trades today, as you can see, and I'm gonna go over them now. Let's get started. Please bear with me. I'm still learning how to draw on my laptop because I usually take all my trades on my iPad, so it's easier to draw with my finger. But let's get started on the 4 hour time frame, as always. So you see this gap, um, but before New York opened, we were already here, so we were already on the way to fill this gap. It was just a matter of the candle closure. So guys, today is the first day I get something on the 1 hour time frame. So we're on the 1 hour, and I see a bullish fair value gap right here. There's a better picture of it. So right now, my bias is long because I look at previous day and look at all of this liquidity. We dropped down. Where, why isn't my chart loading? We had all this liquidity. Okay, sorry. We had all this liquidity up here, and we wanted to take it out. We want to take it out. Okay, so let's go down to the 15-minute. I don't really see anything because this is just the continuation. So I keep going, keep going. There's a gap here, but it gets filled over here. Keep going. I don't really see anything still, so then I drop down to the 5-minute. Let's go over here. So obviously now you can see that we went up here, but this is where we're at before market open. So I see all this liquidity up here and then see, oh, we didn't fill this beginning structure. So let's zoom in. This is the 5-minute time frame. So I see a 5-minute inverse of this bullish fair value gap because we inverse here. And then we get a bearish 5-minute fair value gap right here between these candles, these wicks. And that is my target zone, I guess you could call it. So let's go back. I could extend this. Oh, let's extend this, right? There. There we go. Okay, let's go back to pre-market. No, no, I hate when this happens. No. I zoomed in on my whole screen. Hold on. How do I get out? Okay, that was scary. Okay, I did it again. Okay, hold on, guys. Hold on, hold on. Oh gosh. Why is this so... Okay. Here we are, pre-New York. So this is market open. I go down to the 1 minute because I'm looking for an entry, right? Let's go all the way over here. And we see we had news today around 8:15, and then you said we have 9 a.m. news. Didn't really do anything. But here's market open. I see that we wake up and we filled below the gap and then we dropped. So my bias was Where is it? Where is the path? Where's the path? Where is it? Guys, where is it? Don't play with me. Okay, I found it. I found it. I found it. Chill, 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 chill. Okay, okay. Let's get back. Okay, this is my original bias, right? We're at this gap. We fill it. We test the 1 hour and then we keep going higher, right? And that's literally what we do. So my first trade, I'll show my executions. I'll show my executions. 533, and then I don't know where my TP was. It was like above those candles and below these candles. It was a 1 to 2. It was a 1 to 2. So I guess, oh my gosh, I'm getting lost. I'm getting lost, guys. I'm getting lost. It was below this. Like, below. My stops were below these candles and around 50% of the 1 hour fair value gap. Um, so here I entered on the change of stage delivery here because we tap into the 1 hour and then change the stage of delivery, and then this is where I enter. And we had good volume, a good push up here. And then around here at 1 to 1, I go break even. And then we just wick up and then I get stopped out. So I was like, okay, I'm going to look for another entry because I didn't lose any money. And so I wait, and then I'm like, oh, it looks like we're testing the 1 hour again. And that's exactly what we do. Since since there is no wick on this candle, I don't count it as a fair value gap. So I re-enter again off this change of stage delivery, but it's just a lot of volume. So I'll re-enter my position. It's a little bit above my original entry, which is 538.75. We had good volume there, and then my TP is 2588.75. And then it was a 1 to 2. So like at the bottom of this candle. And I re-entered at the closure of this candle. So this red candle down, it looked like I was getting stopped out. And so I was like, okay, if I get stopped out, it's my last trade of the day and then I get off. But thankfully, we had a good push up from that and we had good volume. And then I hit TP here. So that's how much I made. I made 1,000, and that is my balance on my XFA today. That is basically my trade, but like I said, if you wanted to hold, we eventually hit 50% of this 5 minute. Let's go down to the 5 minute. 5 minute fair value gap here, and that is a 11 RR. That's not realistic. But if you had a runner, like look at this push up. We just had such a great run today because of all of the liquidity from yesterday. We just melted all the way down and we went back Even if you wanted to go to these highs too, oh my goodness, y'all see it. But that is my trading day today. I'm so happy with how it went. And that is all, guys. Thank you guys so much for listening. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Love you. Bye.